Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about the Home at Mop and Broom Holder, the ultimate garage storage solution for all your cleaning tools and beyond. This versatile mop and broom holder wall mount is perfect for keeping your cleaning tools neatly stored and accessible. With 5 slots, 6 hooks, and a 7.5 pounds capacity per slot, this garden tool organizer can hold up to 11 tools, making it perfect for your home, kitchen, closet, and laundry room. Plus, its off-white plastic design means it will seamlessly blend into any decor. But that's not all. This garage organization system also comes with everything you need for easy mounting, and its durable design can support a total load-bearing capacity of 38 pounds. Plus, the easy release design of the slots makes it super convenient for quick retrieval of your tools. Not only is this tool hanger secure and easy to use, but it can also hold everyday household items, freeing up precious floor space in your home. It's the perfect solution for keeping your space organized and clutter-free. So if you're tired of dealing with a messy garage or cluttered laundry room, then the Home at Mop and Broom Holder is the perfect solution for you. And the best part? You can find it by clicking the link in the description below. Don't wait any longer, simplify your life and get your space organized today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more great content.